Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the LA men's polo shirt. This is a sleeve shirt, wears wide neck, a cotton and a polyester T-shirt, which is breathable and wrinkle sleeve. Classic summer top for business and leisure. You can get it in green. You can get it in gray, brown, white, in navy blue, in white, brown, black, in white, in black, brown, white, and black, and marine, blue, brown, and white, and of course in white, brown, black. That's a lot of possibility you can choose from. Then of course you can get it in M, size L, extra large, and extra and 3 extra large in the size area. We have your innovative wide neck without buttons. We forget annoying zippers that jam or a button that falls off. This man's short sleeve polo shirt features a modern buttonless wide neck design for smooth on and off and prevents the neck tightening. We have a nice and solid color style because it's a masterpiece of minimalism. This solid color T-shirt for men dispenses with directing patterns and instead offers a clear, puristic silhouette. It is the perfect base layer for an elegant but relaxed appearance. And we have high quality fabric mix because it's made from a blend of 65% cotton and 35% of polyester. This ingenious fabric combination solves many common problems of conventional summer shirts. It is an opaque, dimensionally stable and offers a good breathability even in warm weather. And versatile for every occasion, whether for daily commuting, in the office, while relaxing at home, or on the summer vacation. This short sleeve polo shirt adapts to our lifestyle. Thanks to the simple design, it can be worn effortlessly with jeans, short, or elegantly under a jacket. And of course, easy to carry for and shape resistant. It's designed for everyday use. The cotton polyester blend is machine washable. It dries quickly and retains its structure and the deep color even after several washes. And it looks really cool, as you can see. This all brings us this mixture of two nice stuff, cotton and polyester. The cotton is nice for the natural style, for the good feeling. The polyester is good for the size holding effect and for the ventilation, and all of them in the team makes this product good. This LA man's polo shirt in a white T-shirt sensitivity is nice. Thanks for watching and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.